friend ko, may answered prayer, at ang babaeng hindi ko inakala na magiging forever ko.
Same date, May 18, 13 years ago. You confessed your love for me. And now, here we are standing in front of our loved ones and friends, uniting as one, husband and wife, and me as your Mrs. Valencia.
When the lights go dim,
Jairus.
when there's no one else around, I will still be here. When the colors
I thank the Lord for your life, for giving me a man who will love me for the rest of my life. Nung dumating ka, paulit-ulit kong sinasabi sa'yo na once na pumasok ka na sa buhay ko, kailangan mong panindigan ang ino-offer mong love for me. Norient na kita sa history ng buhay ko and ng family ko. But by the way, no boyfriend since birth. And thank you kasi
we belong.
Nagkakilala kami sa Jail Church sa Lucena, Quezon Province. And honestly, nung una kitang nakita, crush lang talaga kita. Hindi ko pa alam kung anong ibig sabihin, pero nung nakita kita, may naramdaman ako para sa'yo, pero sa totoo lang hindi ako naniniwala. Simple ka lang, pero ang ganda mo.
Ganda mo naman.
naman. Very good ka din. Okay, how are you?
Kain lang ako sa'yo. Pwede ba magyakap?
Pwede daw pa magyakap. How are you? Oo, okay na. Kaya lang napasa. Kumain ka ba?
Yes.
Ano nararamdaman mo ngayon?
Masaya. And excited for our future.
Naiyak ka?
Mamaya pa. Nararating.
Tulong di ba kami?
Hindi pa kita kilala before, pero nahulog na ako. Kahit malayo ka pa lang. Then came that simple conversation, yung mga batean na parang normal lang, walang ka-effort, walang bitaw. Pero hindi ko alam, doon pala magsisimula ang lahat. Hindi ko na-expect na yung simpleng hi ay magiging dahilan kung bakit tayo nandito ngayon.
Love is here, love is true, love
Ganap na ganap!
is you.
Yes, ate. Andyan eh! Grabe naman yung sa akin! Marlo! Ryan! Everybody, kaya! Open! Open! It's a reminder na huwag kayo magpabango tayo.
I'll make this clear.
You kept your promises. You showed your love to me through your words of affirmation nung magkalayo pa lang tayo. Kasi nasa Quezon ako nung nag-confess ka. Ang haba ng hair ko kasi umabot na. And when we decided to stay here sa Antipolo, dun mo na tinodo ang access service mo. Mapa Antipolo, Laguna, or Quezon man, you're always there for me. Nakailang lipat na yata kami ng bahay. Nakikita mo mo.
Habang tumatagal, mas nakilala kita. And the more I got to know you, the more I realized na hindi lang pala ito simpleng paghanga. Kasi hindi lang ikaw yung babaeng minahal ko. Ikaw yung babaeng nagbago sa akin. From nothing, you made me into something. Nagkaroon ako ng direction sa buhay to pursue my dreams na makapagtapos at magsumikap pa lalo sa buhay.
sa buhay, may mga pwedeng matutunan na hindi kailangang maranasan yung consequence. So, tandaan mo yon. Pero may mga bagay sa buhay na kailangan mo ng maranasan ng consequence bago matuto.
Congratulations! Ang masasabi ko lang, be responsible, be a good steward sa lahat ng bagay. Okay?
Okay.
God bless your journey.
Thank you.
Congrats, bro. Congrats, bro. I am the
Next.
next na.
The only man who treated me as a princess, not just by words, but in action. Kaya naman kuhang-kuha mo ko eh. Plus, na lang din talaga yung talented ka, nakuha mo ko sa pagtugtog mo. Just like my kuya.
Dapat ganito! Ay, ganito pala ang aming ano. Maki! Yung pogi! Mahiling ka sa akin. Pogi!
I hope throughout our journey, I was able to show you my love. Kahit na minsan or madalas, siguro, madalas, naiinis ako sa iyo. Sorry for all my shortcomings and sorry kung hindi ako perfect. There is no perfect relationship naman, but what I can promise you is that I will be with you and support you no matter what. Subok naman na, no? Thank you for fighting for our relationship. Thank you for stepping up to show everyone na deserve natin ng isa't isa. For praying hard and now God answered at His perfect time.
But more than anything else, I promise to choose you every single day. And yes, di po madali. Kahit may misunderstandings, kahit pagod, ikaw at ikaw pa rin. And Sab, if I could describe what you are to me, yung spelling mismo ng pangalan, Isabel. Alam mo naman, noon pa lang, mahilig ako sa mga acronyms. And this is who you are to me. I stands for she's my inspiration. You're the reason I keep becoming better. S is for she's my strength. Especially when I feel like I'm not enough. A, you are my anchor. Keeping me grounded when life gets overwhelming. Letter B, you are my blessing. The kind I never thought I deserved. And letter E, you're my everything. The home I never knew I was searching for. And lastly, you're the love of my life. The kind I will choose for the rest of my life.
Let's love and care for each other for the rest of our lives. Mabubuhay tayo ng matagal and will continue to serve God anuman ang status ng ating buhay. Haharapin natin ang bawat araw na magkasama, and I pray that the Lord, that the love that we have will grow and sustain us for the rest of our lives.
Ikaw ba'y nangangako na mamahalin mo siya tibigin habang ikaw ay nabubuhay?
Opo, Pastor.
Gayun din naman, Isabel Moriones Landicio sa harap ng Diyos at ng mga saksing naririto. Tinatanggap mo ba si Japet Valencia bilang tunay mong asawa?
Opo, Pastor.
Ikaw ba'y nangangako na mamahalin mo siya tibigin habang ikaw ay nabubuhay?
Opo, Pastor.
For the rest of my life, with all that I have, I do, and I will. When the sky is falling, I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. day, every moment, every breath you take. I
Sab,
choose you.
hindi ko kayang i-promise na magiging perfect akong asawa. Magkakamali ako, yes. Definitely, mapapagod. Minsan, magkukulang. Pero ito yung pangako ko sa'yo. Na sa bawat pagkakamali ko, babalik at babalik ako sa'yo. Sa bawat araw na mahirap, pipiliin pa rin kitang mahalin. Because you are not just a part of my life. You are the life I prayed for.
Union we will move mountains.
I, Reverend Dino R. Tobias, proclaim and declare that you, Japet Valencia, and Isabel Landicho are now one in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. I proclaim and declare that you are now husband and wife. I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Japet Valencia.
Find us.
You may now, Japet, as a husband, you may now
We
kiss
do.
your wife, Isabel.
For the rest of our lives, with all that we have, we do, and we will. When the sky turns black and he comes back, riding on the clouds every
And if
day.
one day, dumating tayo sa point na mahina na tayo, tahimik na ang paligid,
Every breath we
mabagal na ang mundo, I will still look for your hand
choose.
and I will still choose you like I'm choosing you today. I love you, Sab, always and in all ways.
Look into my eyes, dear. Look into my eyes, dear. 'Cause this is where it starts. Yes, this is where it starts. I'll give you my whole heart for my whole life. I'll give you my whole heart for my whole life. And this is where it starts.
Walang magsasawang umintindi at magmahal. The same Sab you loved last 2013 is the same Sab standing in front of you now. I love you, my Jap, and will always love you every day. Mahal kita, and may God be the center of this
When the
relationship.
sky is falling, I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day, every moment, and every breath you take, I choose you.